Lesson 12. Count 101 to 1000. As before, I do not count all the numbers but show the structure of it. 101. E by ling E. 102. E by ling R. 110. E by E sh. 111. E by E sh E. 120. E by R sh. 121. E by R sh E. 130. E by sun sh. 140. E by s sh. Use liang for 2 in 200. 200. R by liang by. 202. Liang by ling R. 222. Liang by R sh R. 300. Sun by. 400. S by. 500. U by. 600. Leo by. 700. Chi by. 800. Ba by. 900. Jiao by. 1000. Jian